Good, good evening, friends. Good evening, everyone. Today we will analyze weekly forecast for the upcoming weeks. Upcoming week, what will be the trend change date? What will be the trend reversal date? किस साइड की मोमेंटम हो सकती है? अभी मार्केट की डायरेक्शन नेक्स्ट वीक क्या हो सकती है? वी विल एनालाइज ऑल द थिंग्स हियर. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट वीडियो फर्स्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग निफ्टी की एनालिसिस करते हैं. तो हियर it is the chart, and we have analyzed here it is your Ichimoku indicator. Ichimoku is not an indicator, it is a complete system. We have used here conversion line, baseline, everything there. Now today Nifty has opened here gap down, and after opening here so many big points gap, it has opened here. So So here Nifty has given gap down of approximately 400 points, and after that it has closed above the baseline, which shows still Nifty is in uptrend. Nifty is in uptrend. Nifty baseline will act as your strong support area, and that support area is 24710 is the strong support area with इसके ऊपर में निफ्टी ने क्लोज करा है. इट मींस दैट निफ्टी की जो मोमेंटम विच हैज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर हियर एक्चुअली conversion line and baseline cross over here, and after that what momentum started from here, it is still continues, and it has taken exact support on the conversion and baseline, and again it has tried to move up, and now it has tried to open below this conversion and baseline, but due to a strong buying sentiment, it has still closed above the baseline. This it means it shows that it is also in a strong upside momentum, but there is a little bit hurdle area जहां पर निफ्टी में एक हर्डल जोन बने हुए. दिस इज द गैप. इट इज द गैप. ये जो गैप है ये निफ्टी में एक हर्डल गैप है जिसको निफ्टी को फील करनी होगी इन द अपकमिंग डेज. नाउ अगेन इचिमोकू क्लाउड इज बिलो conversion line and baseline, which also indicate, and now it has crossed over here and it is below, so it also shows market is still in long uptrend. Now lagging span is also above conversion and baseline, which shows कि अभी भी निफ्टी में अपसाइड की मोमेंटम है. And here again today Nifty has created a little bit gap here. So this gap will be fulfilled in the upcoming week. Either this gap or this gap. Any gap will be fulfilled in the upcoming week. अगर ये गैप यहां पर फिल होती है देन देयर इज ए चांसेस टू गो अपसाइड फ्रॉम देयर. Now, as per Hurst time cycle theory, wave intersection method, which I have already discussed here, intersection between these two wave happens here. Intersections, COVID intersections happens here. And now this is the fall. This is the intersection started and now it is the fall. Now, again, this line intersects here. And it is the short-term trend change. Here trend is fast. Here it has intersection and it is fast upside. Now, here trend change means trend has changed and also Nifty momentum has changed. Next intersections appears here and again here to here it has taken upside momentum. Similarly, here intersection happens and it has taken upside momentum. Now, next intersection, wave intersection here, and it has formed the low and now it continues to come down. Now, next intersection is on 9th June, where from there will be chances of trend change. Right now, trend is little bit upside, so there is a chances to make a trend change from there 9th June. Next wave intersection method. From 9th June 2025, there is a chances of trend reversal or trend change. Actual, what is the meaning of trend change? Trend change means if market is up, if market is up, it may come down fast. it will नेक्स्ट जो यहाँ पर अपसाइड की मोमेंटम होती है, मोमेंटम स्लो हो सकती है मूवमेंट की. थर्ड जो होती है कि मार्केट विल कम डाउन बट नॉट फास्ट. एंड फोर्थ कंडीशन, व्हाट विल हैपन, market has formed high here on this date and it is still trading below this high. All the conditions of the trend change. Now, trend change as per wave intersection method. As per Nifty wave intersection method, first wave intersection done here 13th and then Nifty has shown upside momentum. Next exact intersection done on 7th and now you can see what has happened there. First intersection happen on 13th Feb. First intersection happens on 13th Feb. Sorry. First intersection happens on 13th March. March 30. Here, first intersection on this date and now this is the rally. And the rally above this intersection, it is almost 1000 plus point. Next wave intersection happens on 7th and from 7th high, it has already moved 2500 point. And next, a small intersection happens here, but no trades. Next intersection 26th May. And again from there, market consolidates and market tries to trade down and it has given trend reversal below this of approximately 300 points, 350 points. Now, again, Next intersection it has happened on 6th June and after 6th June मार्केट की जो यहाँ पर 6th जून को हुई है एंड 6th June and from the next day it has made the high and now market is try to trade बिलो द हाई ऑफ दिस 9th जून। यहाँ पर वेव की इंटरसेक्शन हुई है, मार्केट क्लोज नेक्स्ट डे इट हैज मेड द हाई एंड इट इज ट्राई टू ट्रेड बिलो दिस। मतलब अगेन जहां पर वेव इंटरसेक्शन हुई है वहां से मार्केट हैज गिवन ऑलरेडी 600 पॉइंट्स रिवर्सल बिलो द लो ऑफ दिस ट्रेंड चेंज कैंडल 9th जून। नाउ हियर Nifty has formed a round pattern. First, market from your election day 4th June, it was trading up and it was in uptrend and then consolidates and then it has come down for like your round pattern, and after that it is still try to consolidates and total time taken to meet this level is 168 trading days. 168 trading, after 168 trading days market is price and is same price area and it has formed the round pattern. So if market breaks any side, it will try to continue trade on that side. It is the GCP number, GAN combo number for the Monday market open. Nifty spot, Nifty will be highly bullish above this number and it is the target. Nifty will be highly bearish below this number and this is the target. Similarly for the bank nifty, Phil Nifty, Sensex. I every day post all these numbers in my telegram जिसकी लिंक मैं यहाँ पर दे दूंगा वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में। यू कैन गो एंड ज्वाइन एवरी डे। आई नॉर्मली पोस्ट एवरीथिंग, व्हाट इज द टीसीडी कॉम्बो, आज किसकी एस्ट्रो इम्पैक्ट क्या है, ट्रेंड चेंज डेट, जीसीडी स्टॉक्स, डेली रेंज, एवरीथिंग आई नॉर्मली पोस्ट देयर। Now, similar for the crude oil, gold, and future. Highly bullish number is this, highly bearish number is this. Crude, gold is also, and it is your टारगेट। अगर इसके ऊपर में मार्केट क्लोज करती है 1 घंटे की कैंडल एंड आफ्टर रिटेस्ट टेक अ ट्रेड, ऑल दिस आर द टारगेट्स टू कम। नो, it is entire week range for the Nifty, upside 25472, downside 23963. Bank Nifty 56697, 54356. This range is valid for the entire weeks जहां पर निफ्टी उसी फिक्स रेंज में ट्रेड कर सकती है एंड इट इज द डेली रेंज फॉर मंडे मार्केट सेशन। यू विल गेट ऑल दिस इन माय टेलीग्राम। नाउ आने वाले मंथ में जो यहाँ पर मेन कॉम्बो बनने वाले हैं स्टॉक्स के, यू विल गेट ऑल द कॉम्बोज इन माय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एवरी डे। उस कॉम्बो पर उसको हम लोग इंट्राडे स्विंग दोनों हम लोग ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। हिंडाल्को, ठीक है, पॉली कैब, एंजल वन, मेट्रोपोलिस, बीपीसीएल, बजाज फाइनेंस, प्रेस्टीज, डीबी स्लैब, आईसीआईसीआई बैंक। नेक्स्ट वीक की ये इंपॉर्टेंट कॉम्बो है। इसके साथ में एवरीडे आई नॉर्मली शेयर 3 to 4 कॉम्बो स्टॉक्स एवरीडे। इट इज द मेजर कॉम्बो जो आने वाले वीक्स में आपको फोकस में रखने हैं। देयर विल बी ए बिग मूवमेंट इन दैट स्टॉक। मैजिकल कैंडल इन इंडेक्स। 16 जून की जो मेडिकल यहाँ पर मतलब मैजिकल कैंडल है, 9:20 से 9:25, इट इज योर क्रेजी टाइम, एंड 12:40 to 12:55, ये 12:45. I normally post every day magical candle here, 9:30, 11:30, all these things there. I normally post 5 minutes magical candle in index 920 to 925, 12:40 to 12:45. You will have to find trend change or trend continuation using this magical candle. Now, astro impact, Mars and Uranus squared in Leo. So there will be high volatility in the market from 11 to 15th June. आज की जैसे वोलेटिलिटी थी 13 तारीख, कल की जैसे वोलेटिलिटी थी 12 की. बी केयरफुल एंड अवॉइड एग्रेसिव पोजीशन. मोस्ट एक्टिव एंड वोलेटाइल 15 due to astro impact. Full moon and a debilitated moon, it will create a negative impact in the market till 18th June. Till 18th June, it will create a negative impact in the market. I have updated this astro impact in my Telegram on 10th. I have updated this on June 10. I have updated market will be volatile from 11th June to 15th June. And इस मंथ की इंडेक्स की नेक्स्ट ट्रेंड चेंज डेट है, फर्स्ट आई हैव गिवन यू 9th June, एंड नेक्स्ट ट्रेंड चेंज डेट इज 24th June. मार्क हाई एंड लो एंड टेक ट्रेड पोजिशन. गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर ट्रेंड चेंज डेट 10th June. 10th June is the gold trend change date. 10th June, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th. This is the date where trend has changed. It was up, then it started. And above the high of this trend change date, it has already moved 3,000 points. I think so. Wow. Above the high of this trend change date. So, next trend change date, 3rd July 2025, and then 30th July 2025, gold and silver. So, you will have to focus on that date. From there, trend will be changed. Trend reversal date, you can also see. So, it is my entire weekly forecast. ये मेरी कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है, ठीक है, टेलीग्राम की लिंक है जो मैं ऑलरेडी डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. यू कैन गो एंड ज्वाइन. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स एनीथिंग, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑन दैट नंबर. ओके, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे, गॉड ब्लेस एवरीवन.